Good afternoon, all. My name is Pransh Kodar. I am the director of BeSwast. I welcome you all to telehealth webinar powered by BeSwast Healthcare Limited. As you all are aware, BeSwast is a telemedicine app which is working effortlessly for underprivileged and poor section of society. We would have very happy that we invited chief guest of honor, which is Harshvardhan, which is unable to join this webinar due to some medical or emergencies. The purpose of this webinar is to create awareness about online consultation. BeSwast will be very helpful to get the services on very nominal price to home. I would like to invite our chairman, Mr. GN Gupta, who has supported us in this noble cause for the society.
Thank you very much, Priyanshu. Thank you.
Sir.
तो मेरा नमस्कार. In the COVID, pre-COVID, post-COVID, our team is working tirelessly. All are young and dedicated towards their mission. They are taking care of their startup, and all are young. The team consists Nikunj Yadav, Purti Goyal, Priyanshu, and all doctors also, Priyanka, Palvi, Srishta. They are taking care wholeheartedly. I feel proud that their working model is very nice. Anybody at home can take the services at a nominal prices. During this 3 days webinar, they will give the free consultation. Whosoever have the problem, after this, our initial meeting, you can consult also. Our basic motto is to spread this concept of BeSwast at village level, so that whatever tragedy we have seen during this COVID period, it should not be repeated again. Whatever facilities villages are still lacking. So everywhere we will try to set up everywhere in every village the BeSwast center, so that the basic facilities can be made available at village level. Take care of the primary health services. The team is so motivated, so appreciated during this COVID period that they are eager to serve the country on a large scale. Our health minister, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has also appreciated. We have invited him, but due to his preoccupation, he couldn't come. So I'm sorry on behalf of him. Here we have also with us Mr. Amal Agrawala as our guest of honor, and he is also dedicated to the society. He is serving selflessly with the Vanvasi Raksha Parivar from since a long period. We are so much inspired from him, his acts and deeds. So, and that's why we have invited him also to say some words to our team, so that they can feel motivated for this noble and social cause, and they can serve the society in the better way, because the motivation behind them is only the service, because the money whatever they are charging is ₹10, which is nominal. No doctor will be available at ₹10. So I mean to say here that he will inspire us to carry forward this young team. All are below 30 and so dedicated. I really feel proud to see them, that how they are working. Bless them. Now I will request Mr. Agrawala to say a few words to this young team, so that they can feel inspired. Thank you very much. I'm highly obliged for your giving the time to us and inviting me for this webinar. Thank you.
नमस्कार. आज की सेमिनार में स्वच्छ भारत का स्वच्छ हेल्थ केयर लिमिटेड में जो सेमिनार का आप लोगों ने आयोजन किया है, इसके आप सबका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन। और आपने ये जो बीड़ा उठाया है गांव गांव तक, जो 10 रुपये में जो स्वास्थ्य सेवा प्रोवाइड करने की जो बीड़ा उठाया है, यह रियली बहुत ही एक अभूतपूर्व कार्य है। आप इसके लिए साधुवाद के पात्र हैं। और अगर यह सेवा पहुंचती है पूरे गांव गांव तक, तो सभी गांववासी और सभी देशवासी इसकी इसकी प्रशंसा करेंगे और वह बिल्कुल कृतार्थ हो जाएंगे। 10 रुपया में अगर घर बैठे गांव के लोगों को यह चिकित्सा सुविधाएं निःशुल्क 10 रुपये में मिलेगी, तो यह निःशुल्क बराबर ही है। तो वह उनके लिए बहुत ही लाभकारी होगा। और आप लोग ये जो कार्य कर रहे हैं, ये देश के लिए इस पेंडेमिक स्थिति में ये देश के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा कार्य आप लोग सब कर रहे हैं। आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं। जो खासकर युवा डॉक्टर्स इस टीम में लगे हुए हैं, प्लस युवा साथी हमारे जो लगे हुए हैं, उन सबको मैं अपनी ओर से बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। ये अच्छा कार्य है, ये निस्वार्थ का कार्य है। जितना आप निस्वार्थ का कार्य करेंगे, आपके जीवन में भगवान उतनी ही आपको उन्नति देगा। ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है। और आपको भी मैं कहता हूं कि आप इस कार्य में लगे रहें और जोर शोर से लगे रहें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ML Agarwala, for this wonderful speech. I request Dr. Prerna Arora to please speak on this topic.
So, Dr. Prerna this side. I am so obliged to be a part of this. Thank you so much for having us. It is a very great opportunity. Teleconsultation is something that is the need of the hour in these era of pandemic. Definitely, there are very important certain points when it comes to a doctor, not only from a patient's point of view, but as a doctor also, there are a lot of benefits. For healthcare workers, like in these times, we cannot travel everywhere. Traveling, first of all, the restrictions and everything that we can be exposed to. Teleconsultation is going to bypass everything of that sort, all the problems. And then this is how we can very much increase our reach to as many patients as possible in these times. Also, this is very good for patients as they'll be less exposed to other pathogens. COVID, of course, they'll not have to face and come out in the environment. And then from other medications and other pathogens that are there in the environment, this is very helpful. And then when it comes to flexibility, it is a great boon for our society, because we as doctors, we don't have to move places. We, of course, want to do great for the society. And this marks a very important step, because this is where we are trying to reach more and more patients in the rural areas. Now, I personally have a lot of affection. I always wanted to work in fields with the mountains, and everywhere the medical facilities are not very much developed. So this is a very great opportunity, because like 10 rupees is something patients can easily afford, or we can direct them to pay it very easily, and they'll be happy to have some help from us. There is also a one-on-one interaction with the patient when it comes to teleconsultation, like they're talking directly to us. And, they feel literally connected. If a patient is having a chronic disease, take it to be a patient with Alzheimer's or anything that just needs psychological support or little medical support, they always are happy to have doctors on teleconsultation, because they feel close. But then again, yes, for us, there is a very important benefit that we run through is there will be less of absence. Most of the time in India, when a patient reaches the hospital, the doctor is either very occupied, or, they are already, by the time patient reaches, they're already off to home. So when it comes to teleconsultation, this is very beneficial, because the absenteeism is going to come down from the doctor's end as well, because this is going to be pretty flexible for us. Then when we talk to patient one-on-one, the relationship is always stronger. The patient mentally, because see, in these COVID times, not only physical illnesses is something that's bothering the doctors and the patients, but the mental health has been greatly impacted. So when we talk to a patient one-on-one, this is very beneficial, because they feel closer. They feel like, yes, at least for their mental health support, when they're losing it or they're just getting a little anxious, they can very easily reach out to us. We can calm them down and assure, because psychologically, the stabilizing point is very much important. The PTSD that people are going to have with Corona, They will always need a doctor around, and I think this is the easiest way to reach them, not only in the rural areas, in the urban ones as well. Also, in India, there is you all know, we have seen there's always a shortage of doctors. So this teleconsultation is something that can bypass that problem. That can be a connecting link. If I have to be on a 10,000 patients and I personally cannot reach all 10,000 at one time, and I'll always be guilty at night that I wish I could use more of my efficiency, then yes, while I'm doing my OPD, I can very much manage to be a part of the teleconsultation where patients are reaching out to us very easily. I like this. I was always very much enthusiastic about doing something for the society. And of course, being a doctor, the only part that satisfies us is being closer to the patient and seeing how happy the patient is ultimately. So yes, teleconsultation, BeSwasth is our connecting link, and we are very happy to be a part of it. Now, there's one more thing that I'll tell about is that India may we lack documentation. So teleconsultation is going to be a solution to it. Each time a patient goes to an actual doctor, he just has to open this app, show his medical records that are being maintained by us as well when he has reached to us. So this is how a proper documentation wala problem will be sorted out from teleconsultation. And I think me and team and Mr. GN Gupta have been really happy to be, a part of this. And I'm so glad that you at least had a thought and we are working on it. I'm looking forward to be working on it, sir. I think we can be a connecting link to all the medical health problems that people and as doctors also we are facing. So I'm looking ahead to working with it. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Prerna Arora, for sharing your views. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
Now I would request Dr. Pallavi Priya to speak on this topic.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Pallavi Priya. I'm here to throw some light on advantage of consultation on for old age people and for children. Like for old age people, it's very convenient for them to just book an appointment by sitting at home. So it's just one click away. So it's very convenient. They can just there'll be like reduction.
Request you to continue. Dr. Pallavi has got some network issues, so if
Yes,
you can.
Yeah, sure. Shrita Kakmani. I'm actually MBBS graduate and working currently with the BeSwasth. BeSwasth, I came across through Facebook. Then I have been through and I've seen so many pages have written and I've seen so much about it. Then I was like much interested and I got through this. And I'm really very happy to be a part of this. I have seen very much in this. Best part of the BeSwasth is like cost effective. First thing, which is really helpful. I've been talking to so many people and I'm advising, and they were very happy to come with us. They are supporting to be. So many doctors were also be supporting to be take part in this thing. Today, I just want to talk about how this online consultation is helpful for the underprivileged people. Underprivileged. As first thing, I just want to tell, underprivileged are like, they are not as a government sector or a private sector, they are not getting much care what they have to be getting. So this online consultation is the first platform which is giving a complete treatment or complete requirement is being fulfilled without going through their background basis. And I want to talk about them like they are not much educated, so they are not aware of many things. First of all, they're like, this online consultation has helpful them like learning new things and getting through. They are not, they don't require to be keeping the documents with them all the time. And the best part of this online consultation is like they can prevent not only the patient, even the doctor can be prevented from the acquired infections from the hospital atmosphere, which is especially during this COVID period, which is like a communicable disease. These type of consultations have helped us so much. And one more thing is like on an online consultation, best part is like getting appointment in a government sector or private sector is very hard. As I've noticed in few hospitals in Delhi getting appointment, they are getting for 1 month before, which is not so helpful for them. But online consultation is providing a appointment within an hour or half an hour, and they're getting treated, and they're giving good source. So this is the one way they can solve their problems in a fraction of seconds. And the another best part of this is like they can get a second opinion, where many of people are like not satisfied with one doctor. Here they can choose multiple doctors, and they can go and they can request their way of treatment. They can know what we are doing with them. This is the one of the good way. The patient is well known about them, and the doctor is aware of everything. Best part of the teleconsultation I have noticed is like cost effective, time saving, not only for the patient but also for the doctors. In the span of 10 to 15 minutes we give to each patient per day, we can visit around 40 to 50 patients happily and satisfy them, and have a good communication with the others also. This will be helpful much, and which is by in the hospitals we serve them, but there is no proper attention like we give to an individual, which we are doing teleconsultation now. This is one of the way I'm having a like work satisfaction, and I can tell that okay, today we have treated this patient, and we can go through follow-up also very easy for these patients. They don't need to carry the documents because everything is being uploaded in the system, and their total history also been there. So which is like very easy for the doctors also, and easy for the patients, and what treatment they had taken previously and their total history. And one more thing with this like online consultation, which I first came across, is like it's very time saving, and we can use this time in a wise manner. Already I've seen like Karnataka Medical Council is also like encouraging the doctors itself like to do teleconsultations, which is a very good thing. Now many doctors are also participating due to this COVID period. Few of my friends have been suggesting to how can we treat many patients in a very less time. So this is one of the big platform for me to get through this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, doctors. Thank you so much for sharing your views. Like to thank the doctors and the board of members, and especially Mr. GM Gupta for supporting us and boosting up to make this app, which is communicable and available to all the unprivileged people at a very nominal cost, which is ₹10. And I would thank all the 3 doctors which are supporting us and getting through this problems of this COVID-19. As you know, people are afraid of stepping outside their home and go to the hospitals. So in this case, the doctors come into the picture and help the unprivileged people to help into getting the online consultation. I'm really helpful as be the part of this Bees First, and for the doctors also, that they are treating and the customers or the clients who are unable to go outside the home or step outside the home to go to the hospitals. And I would request GM.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. I'm so sorry there was some technical issue due to which I couldn't continue. Yeah, I'm here to discuss about yes, sir. I'm here to discuss about how teleconsultation is helping old age individuals. So basically, old age individuals are mostly dependent individuals, and they're very senile and they're very fragile. So the transportation, the medical expenses, they have to go to the hospitals, they have to travel so far, they have to wait for the appointment. So it becomes very tiring process for them. So this teleconsultation can cut short everything. So it's just the booking is just one click away. So if there is any need, if there is any emergency or anything which the patient wants, so they can just connect to the doctor. And here at teleconsultation, here at BSWAS, we can connect to the patient at very minimal cost. So it's very cost effective for them. And we can counsel the patients from here. Mostly they need emotional support. Mostly they need some help, so that mostly they don't have anyone to talk to. So the consultation through teleconsultation will be very beneficial for them. And also while going to the hospital, they're immunocompromised, they're old, so their immunity is not that strong. If they go outside, if they go to the hospital and there's especially during corona times. There's contagious disease outside there, so they can catch infection. But if they sit at home and just book an appointment, and this can reduce the risk of infection from them and their family member as well. Also, it is very helpful for children because mostly the caregivers, the mother, they have to take the children to hospital. They're very irritated most of the time because they don't like the surrounding. It's very hard for them to be in the hospital for such long time. So the caregivers, the mother, they can just book an appointment from home. And also it can help through consultation. Mostly what happens, there's an emergency. They think there is an emergency, something happens, the patient starts coughing. It's a normal thing sometimes. But then if they are in that panic state, they can just book a consultation. They can just talk to the doctor and they can manage it on emergency basis also. Like if we can just refer the patient, if it's an emergency, we can just conclude if this is an emergency, patient can be referred to secondary sectors. And if it's not an emergency, it can be managed at home. So the patient will be all right. We can provide a better consultation. We can provide a better health system, healthcare to them. Also, this teleconsultation can reduce the burden which is there on the secondary healthcare system. There are such shortage of doctors. Doctors can't attend everyone personally. So while sitting at home, we are helping so many people, and we are helping people who can't go places, especially during restriction. There are travel restrictions out there, so they can just be there and take full help from everyone, all the doctors. So it's very beneficial, and I'm very happy to be a part of BSWAS, where we are helping people. We are helping every needy out there. I'm very happy to be associated with this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure to have with us and
Yes,
to
sir.
serve the society.
Yes,
As
sir.
you are aware, all the BSWAS means you should not have any illness. Always
Yes,
you
sir.
should be BSWAS. So we this is our motto, that nobody should have any illness. To say about the functionality about the BSWAS.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all. As you are all aware, I mean, you must have heard from our doctors regarding the advantages of BSWAS, regarding the advantages of telemedicine. I just want to throw light on on our team, what our team is actually doing, and why BSWAS is actually how BSWAS is helping underprivileged and the poor section. So this idea actually, if I would tell you how this idea has come across, so our chairman, Mr. G.N. Gupta, during COVID time last year, he had some kind of pain in his left arm, and for that he had to bring out his car, call the driver, go to the doctor during this COVID time, and he was very scared also as well. So when he reached there, he actually thought, why am I coming here just for a small pain? So why I cannot develop, because I have been doing all this social cause and things for the society. Why should I not develop something which can help underprivileged people or a poor people? Because I can afford this, but it's not necessary that everyone can afford this. So this is where the idea of BSWAS has come to him. And then Purti, who's the secretary for BSWAS, and she has actually, she took out time. She took out the developers team. We built this app. Then I came into the picture, and then Pranshu came into the picture. My senior, Mr. Gaurav Agrawal, he has helped a lot to bring out this BSWAS into the picture. So BSWAS is actually, we have developed this not only for the society of where we are living in, but also for the society where our the underprivileged or the poor people who are living in, those who cannot neither afford traveling or can afford going to the doctor and on a regular basis. We have a pain, we reach out to the doctor and get it consulted. But these people who has got a very big big bridge, sorry, there is no bridge at all between the healthcare and these underprivileged one. So this BSWAS is actually a bridge for them. This BSWAS will act like a bridge between underprivileged and the poor and the healthcare for them. So our doctors will, as of now, they are doing a teleconsultation, but tomorrow we have other plans as well, that we will also reach out to these underprivileged one, do at least once or twice in a week or a month, at least a physical checkup with them as well. So once they will do the physical checkup, on the second phase, we can do the teleconsultation with them. We are planning to build these kind of in camps where, you know, person can come to these camp, do the teleconsultation with our doctors as well. The team of doctors that we have, their idea of, you know, health is priority, and our idea of health is priority is actually developed because of our chairman, Mr. G.N. Gupta. So we are working tirelessly. We are working throughout just to make sure that BSWAS reach out to each and every section of the society and can bridge the gap between healthcare and the underprivileged one. Thank you.
मूर्ति गोयल से कहूंगा कि वो अपना शेयर इस जर्नी में करें, सबके साथ साझा बताएं कि उन्होंने क्या महसूस किया और अभी क्या सोचते हैं.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to work on this project. So I'll tell from the starting, me and Mr. Gupta, we are in this project from the beginning. The idea is of Mr. Gupta and I implemented this thing with my entire team. Many people came and go with this project, but Gupta sir and I, we are constant here. And now Nikanjan Pranshu has also joined our team. So we have developed this platform now, but we need support, all of your support to reach to the rural areas and to reach in every corner of the society so that most people can avail the benefit of this app. So platform is ready, doctors are ready, we are ready to serve, and now we all need is your support so that we can reach to the people. So I'll just request all of you to tell people about the app as much as you can so that our project can become successful. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Purti. Thank you very much. All our young and dynamic team, they are working very tirelessly. Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctors, and all the board members to be the part of this webinar. And I would like to inform you, like, we will keep again this tomorrow to understand how BSWAST is going to help underprivileged and other services we're planning to do for our unprivileged society. So I would request G.N. Gupta, please say something about this.
Thank you very much, all the participants. We welcome you again tomorrow. Please share with your friends, relatives, as much as you can do, so that every person will become the part of this family and will be able to avail the services at village level, at home level, and we will feel proud to serve you. Thank you very much, Doctor, sharing with us your experience and motivating us. Thank you, Dr. Prerna. Thank you, Dr. Pallavi. Thank you, Dr. Sesta. We are very grateful to you for your dedication and support to us. We will, with your inspiration, with your support, we will move forward and take it at village level and hope that whatever vision we have, that this was everyone. We will fight this COVID situation also. And I think the situation which we have seen in last days, this will not repeat in our country. We are standing with our government. We are standing with our friends, families, and the people who are living in our villages. The same, we will try to help out them. We will guide them, the facilities which will be equivalent to the cities. We will try to support them. Thank you very much. All the best.